Daddy,
Ah,
come here.
bakit?
Come here.
I'm already wearing boxer, no?
Stand up here beside Ivo.
Bakit?
Yes.
Bakit kasama ko?
Bilis.
See? Because of you. Daddy was standing.
Wala ko kayo dyan, ha? If you will smile, sige. What did you say? What did you say while you're standing there? You said what? Tawa na kayo ng tawa na. Oo. Sige, lalo kang hindi makakahiga. I will close the light. Diyan ka lang.
Ayaw!
You're shouting? You're shouting? Uy, Daddy, stand up ka dyan. Together with Ivo.
I stand up.
Bakit kasama ako?
Stand up. Stand up.
Because you're laughing with Ivo, so...
Stand up. Stand up.
What you said to Mommy? Wow.
Sorry po.
Stand up properly.
Stand up ka daw. Stand up straight. Straight nga. Yan, stand up.
Remove your hand. Don't hold with each other. Remove your hand. Saan mo ilalagay yung hand?
Look at daddy. Bo. Ivo. Ivo. Ivo.
Pagkagawin mo na araw-araw mo nasa guidance, ha? Sa anak mo. Daddy, go there.
Okay. Daddy is sleeping and Ivo is still standing. Like there? Ba? Ivo? Ivo? Ivo, look at daddy, please.
Why are you standing there? What you said? I said I don't like to hear para, diba? Why you said? Why you always keep on saying para? Is it nice?
No.
It's nice to stand up.
Ayaw.
It's nice. Is it nice to stand up?
No.
Yes.
No.
You just stand up there.
Ayaw.
Ah, your hand. It's nice to stand up.
Ayaw.
Why you keep on saying palo?
Because it's nice.
Because it's nice. So
Ayaw.
you're shouting. You said it's nice. Palo is nice. Palo is nice. Stand up is nice. Stand up properly.
Sutil.
Maybe Daddy wants to sleep outside. What do you think? Ivo will sleep outside or Daddy will sleep outside? Which one?
Evil.
Ivo will sleep outside. Who will sleep outside? Ivo or Daddy?
Daddy will.
You choose. Relax. You choose. Who will sleep outside? Ivo or Daddy?
Evil want to go sleep.
And how about Daddy?
They don't sleep also.
Saan?
Or it's not.
Answer first. Answer first. Ah! Answer first. Saan mag-sleep? Saan mag-sleep?
Over there.
I don't like to hear palo. Okay po? Okay po?
Okay po.
Pag nagaganyan ka, lalo akong mag-stay dyan. Sige.
Pasaway. Pasaway ka. Para napapagalita ka na eh. Ba?